All right, so we are on week 4, but your assignment is, no, we're on week 5, but your assignment is it's the last thing for week 4. So you have this parallel and perpendicular lines assignment, and you have the notes page here. So here's the notes page. You've got your videos. You've also got a quiz that you need to be doing. Oh, interesting. So you got your videos. Yeah, there's also a quiz here. Just a short quiz. You have multiple attempts on that also, and then you have your assignment here. So I'm gonna take a quick glance over the assignment and then switch over to the examples. Or maybe we'll just look at loading screens. Okay, yeah, we'll do this later. Nope, okay, it's coming. Loading screens. Da, 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 da. All right, so you have two types of equations that we're going to be dealing with today. You've got slope-intercept and then point-slope form. So with slope-intercept, you have, this is the y-intercept, and then this is the slope. So over here, your slope is 1/2. So this is your m, and then you have this point here. This is your x, this is your y. You have x, y. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Slope formula, if you don't remember it, just a quick example to refresh you. X1, Y1, and then X2, Y2. So the formula is Y2 minus Y1. Oh, I didn't mean to use purple twice. And then X2 minus X1. So for this particular example, you would do, let's make this one black. For this particular example, you would do 10, x2 is 16, and then y1 is -2, and then x1 is 4. So this one would be -12, no, +12, what am I doing? 10, positive isn't it? Negative, make it positive. So that's +12 divided by 16 minus 4 is 12. Oh, I didn't mean for that to come out like that. I just made up some numbers. They happen to be 1. That's fine. So those are kind of your basics. These are things that we were hoping you already knew how to do. Let's go over some of the examples for the last 8 problems on your classwork. All right, when it says parallel or perpendicular to something, when something is parallel, actually, I'm going to move this down here. Parallel is the same slope. Perpendicular, it's the opposite reciprocal. So let's just knock that out first. Parallel to y equals 2x minus 8. that means the slope, if it's parallel, the slope is going to be the same. So the slope is 2. Perpendicular, okay, the current slope is m equals positive 2 over 1. Excuse me. So the slope for this one, it's going to be m equals negative 1 over 2. So not this one anymore. Parallel, slope is the same, m equals half. Perpendicular, negative reciprocal. So you change it to negative, opposite reciprocal. So it's positive, you change it to negative. 1 over 2, you switch it to 2 over 1. So the slope here is negative 2. Hey, when you're doing the classwork, now that you've gotten through this step, this equation does not matter anymore. Equation does not matter anymore. All right, we actually don't care about this equation anymore for the purposes of what we're doing, writing the equation. All right, so let's write the equation. Slope-intercept form is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So yeah, I'm gonna do it again over here. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Now this is your first step. So I'm gonna write this again. Oops. You don't have to write it twice. You can go straight into the work, but since I'm doing an example here, I want you to have a blank one there just so you know why I'm doing it this way. All right, let's start filling stuff in. You have the m is, the slope is 2. So 2 goes here. Then you have the x and y, x1, y1. So that goes here. Negative 2 goes here. Oh, those are my examples, sorry. Negative 2. All right, now you can just write it and be done. Negative and negative here make positive, so y plus 2 equals 2x minus 4. That's the equation in slope-intercept form. I mean, point-slope form. So same thing here, you have y minus, so it's x1, y1, meant to make that green. So x goes here, y goes here, and then m goes here. No, that's positive, positive half. So here's the equation, y plus 2 equals 1/2 x minus 4. Okay, when you do it perpendicular, it's pretty much the same process. The only difference is going to be that slope is different. And then I'll show you one more step you'll need to do at the end here. So x and y. So 4 goes here, negative 2 goes here, negative 1/2 goes here. So this can be y plus 4 equals negative half x minus 4. If you want to convert this to slope-intercept form, here's how it looks. So y plus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 4. Distribute this first. So y plus 4 equals negative 1/2 x. Negative, negative, make it positive, positive 2. minus 4, minus 4. You get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2. The way you would write this into Canvas, you would do y equals minus 1/2 x minus 2. So this is how you would write this answer into Canvas. One more example. For perpendicular, you have y minus negative 2 equals negative 2 is the slope, x minus 4. So that would be y plus 2 equals negative 2x minus 4. That's in the point slope form. If you were to convert this to slope intercept form, let's do that. So y plus 2 equals 2x, negative 2x plus 8. And then you would subtract 2, y equals negative 2x plus 6 would be the answer here. The way that you can test this, you can plot this into the calculator, desmos.com/calculator, and it should hit this point. Then you should also plot this one and see if they come out as the same thing. So yeah, lots of steps there. If you notice, this last one I did not have as many steps because I skipped some. So once you get the hang of it, you can do that. So that goes along with your assignment for today. At the beginning, you just need to find the slope. So like number 1, slope there's 8. Number 2, slope there's 8.2. Slope formula, you can do rise over run, or you can do the equation. And then you have 2 questions here that are just writing the basic equation. And then the rest of them, 7 through 12, are doing, 0, 0, that one will be easy. The rest of them are just doing this. Okay, so recording has been stopped. Here's your assignment. I'm gonna scroll back through it. If there's anything on here that anyone wants to see worked out, I can do that.